Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to hide your phone number on Telegram to protect your privacy. Whether you're looking to keep your number private from people in your contacts or just want to limit who can see it, this tutorial will guide you step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open the Telegram app on your Android device. Step 2. Once you're in the app, tap the menu icon at the top left corner of the screen. This will open the side menu where you can access all your Telegram settings. Step 3. From the menu, tap on Settings. This will take you to the section where you can manage your privacy, notifications, and more. Step 4. Next, tap on Privacy and Security. This is where you can control who sees your personal information, including your phone number. Step 5. Now tap on Phone Number. This option allows you to control who can view your phone number in Telegram. Step 6. Under the Who Can See My Phone Number section, select Nobody. This ensures that no one can see your phone number on Telegram, giving you more privacy. Step 7. Finally, to save your changes, tap the check icon at the top right corner. And that's it. You've successfully hidden your phone number on Telegram. Now only the people you trust will have access to it. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more Telegram tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.